Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, we shall learn that how we can create this looping animation by using different textures node. So I add some textures to this shader editor, and we create fun with this textures by creating different looping animation. So if I connect this, the textures change, looping textures animation change, and if I connect these Veroni textures to the notch textures, then this create a beautiful textures animations. And if I connect this magic textures with the vectors of Veroni textures, this create a beautiful looping animation with texture. So how we can create and how we add these different textures and also keyframe these animations. So let's start our video. Open Blender, select all and delete everything. Now press Shift A to add some mesh like UV sphere and also make it shade smooth. Now enter into the shader editor here, and also I enter into the material viewport and press new material. Nice. Here I delete this and I add emission shader and connect this emission with the surface of the material output. Nice. Now press Shift A to add another color ramp and connect this color ramp with this. Beautiful. Here I add some material to these color ramps. 3 material, select this and change this material something like green material, and select this and change this material and also select this material and change this material like this material. Beautiful. Now I add wave textures and connect this color to the vector of the color ramp. So this create a beautiful color rings on the sphere. Green color is this color, red color is this, and blue color is this in color ramps. So we can create animation by using these textures. So for that I enter into the timeline and here I add some phase offset value, and if we increase this phase offset value we create a beautiful textures animation. So first it is 0 and insert a keyframe and then move to the 100 frame, and here I type 10 and insert another keyframe, and also the end of this animation is 100. Now if I run this animation, this create a beautiful looping textures. Nice. You can also scale down or scale up these textures. So here we can change the rings instead of bands. So I select bands again. Nice. And if I here add another textures, noise texture, and connect this color with the vector of the wave textures, this create more fun with textures. Here we can scale down or scale up these textures. Nice. And if I add some another textures like Oroni textures, this create more fun. Beautiful. And we can also here scale up and down the textures. Here we can increase some strength of the emission, say 5, and enter into the material rendered view, and here I also select bloom option. Then you create more fun with this. Nice. And I also add some another textures, magic textures, and connect this color with vectors to create some more beautiful textures, looping textures animation. Here you can also scale up and down. So in this way you can easily create looping textures animation by using different textures nodes. Thanks for watching.